Sammy and Greg are riding around. Woo! There they go on the elephant ride at Safari World. Where are they? Oh, there's Greg being the elephant. Go, Greg! Woohoo! What? He's being a good brother, that's for sure. And they're getting off. Here they come, Sammy and Greg. Here they come. All right, come on down, Sammy and Greg. Off the elephant ride. Here we go. Ta-da! And Sammy's saying, I want to go on another ride. I want to go on another ride. All done, Sam.
Oh, come on, Sam.
All done. Time to go. There we go. Time to go. So fun.